If you're looking to dive into the world of AI, then you'll want to stick around for this review of Shivon AI, the just released AI software that's quickly gaining attention. There are 7 crucial things you need to know about this software, whether you're a beginner or an experienced user. I'll break down everything you need to know so you can decide if Shivon AI is worth your time. Stay tuned because I'm also going to share some insider tips that you won't find anywhere else. First off, Shivon AI is making waves for its sleek, user-friendly interface designed to make AI accessible for everyone, no matter your technical background. Right from the start, it's easy to see why this platform is getting so much attention. You won't need to be an expert to get up and running. Whether you're looking to automate tasks or streamline workflows, Shivon AI takes a lot of the guesswork out of AI applications. Another key feature is its ability to integrate with other tools seamlessly. Whether you're working with CRM systems, social media platforms, or email marketing services, Shivon AI is built to connect and boost your existing workflows. For those who are tired of constantly switching between apps, this is a game changer. But one thing that sets Shivon AI apart from other AI tools is its advanced data analysis capabilities. The platform isn't just about automating tasks. It's about taking the data you already have and turning it into actionable insights. Imagine being able to forecast trends, understand customer behavior better, and even make more informed decisions, all with the power of AI. This is something you need to consider if you're serious about growing your business. Now, for those who value customization, Shivon AI gives you a ton of options to tailor its features to suit your needs. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. If you're someone who likes to have full control over how your tools work, you'll appreciate the flexibility here. And the best part, you can scale it as your needs grow. If you're concerned about learning curves, don't be. Shivon AI offers a robust app support system with tutorials, 24/7 customer service, and a community of users ready to help. It's designed to make sure that you're not left stranded when you run into an issue. The support system alone is a reason why this software stands out in a crowded market. Another major selling point is its affordability. While many AI tools come with a hefty price tag, Shivon AI is offering a free trial, which you can access through the link below. This gives you the opportunity to try the software without any risk or commitment. For anyone just getting started, this is a fantastic opportunity to see firsthand if Shivon AI is the right fit for your needs. The final feature I want to highlight is its upward sound, future-proof technology. As AI continues to evolve, Shivon AI is constantly updating and improving its platform. You'll always have access to the latest advancements in AI, ensuring that you're not falling behind in a rapidly changing landscape. This is critical for anyone who plans to use AI as a long-term business tool. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try a Shivon AI completely free using the link below. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the choices in the AI space, you'll find that this software offers the right balance of power, flexibility, and ease of use. After trying thousands of AI softwares myself, I've compiled a list of my top AI tools in the description for you to explore. Shivon AI is definitely one to consider if you're looking to take your business to the next level. So give it a shot and see how it can work for you.